Alright guys, it's Timed Edge and I'm just doing another trade breakdown. One day I didn't actually trade and it so happens that it was the best trade of the week for my model. So we're going into Monday. Friday sold off. We don't have a daily profile to go off because of the futures market at the moment. It was bank holiday Friday, but even though price did trade. So we're above the true week open. So we're stacking confluences there. Go back to the 1 hour. This is the index futures triad, NQ, ES, YM. We're in an SMR zone on YM as well. So this is stacking confluences for us to take a trade. Okay. YM has wicked above the 6 hour. We're below the 6 hour session high, and we've got a full body close on ES. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the 1 hour high. As you can see, just marking these out. I know it's the same line there as well, but I'll mark it anyway so when we drop down. I don't like to trade NQ until 1 o'clock unless there's a news release. So if there's a news release at 8:30, I'll trade pre-market for anywhere from 12 o'clock, that'll be 7 a.m. New York time, 12 p.m. UK time. So yeah, so 12 o'clock UK time. I don't want to. That's when I like to look for positions. If there's no news, because that's when liquidity comes into the market. You might get a pre-Judas, especially if it takes out liquidity, like we're about to do in this scenario. You get the move down. Okay, so wick above, close below. You know the CRT from Romeo, right? I'm looking for price to take this high. Okay, you can see we're above daily cycle, session cycle. All right, let's play price. All right, all assets are above. Okay, so we've wicked above the 6 hour here. We're wicked above the 1 hour. There's no microcycle, so what I do, I tend to mark out displacement. So at the moment, this would be my level of displacement that I'd want to see broken in order for me to take a trade. Let's play price. We tap into that, then we move higher. Okay, so that is the fair value gap there, that last presented fair value gap. We've got a fresh one now created here. Let's play price. Remember, liquidity sits above old highs and lows. Okay, so I'm simply just trading. We've got divergence. We're stacking confluences. We're in an SMR zone over there. Now I'm looking for a break of this last presented fair value gap to displace through this. Price moves. We get a reaction off. That is what I'm looking for. There we go. That candle there is the one that broke. Okay, and close through. So I'm going to set a limit here, or you could go down and take a 5 seconds, but just for the purposes of this video, we're going to do this. My target would be the 6 hour low, London low, down here, probably Asia, probably take out Asia. There we go. What's that? 12R. This is the power of the 1 hour CRT strategy. You're in and out. Okay, let's play price. All right, we get tagged in, straight into profit. Let's drop out to the 1 hour. And I wasn't trading Monday, just so happens that it set up for the best day. The rest of the week was pretty, yeah, awful. But as you can see, we've hit take profit straight away in the next 9 a.m. candle. So yeah, anyway, please like, subscribe my channel, helps me grow. If you need any questions or anything, please give me a comment. Go over to my TikTok, Twitter for more constant content. Okay, Timed Edge, thank you very much.